Today, we're exploring how you can launch your own AI-generated children's book business using innovative tools like Canva, MidJourney, and ChatGPT. With advancements in artificial intelligence, creating captivating children's books has become more accessible than ever. Let's dive into how you can get started. Children's literature is a thriving market, with parents and educators constantly seeking engaging and educational content. Traditionally, producing a children's book required a team of writers, illustrators, and publishers. However, with AI-powered tools, you can now handle writing, illustration, and design all by yourself, reducing costs and time. To create your AI-generated children's book, consider these powerful tools. First, ChatGPT, an AI language model developed by OpenAI that assists in generating creative and coherent storylines. Simply input your ideas and ChatGPT will help you craft engaging narratives suitable for children. Next, MidJourney, an AI art generator that transforms textual descriptions into vivid illustrations. Describe the scenes or characters from your story, and MidJourney will produce corresponding images, bringing your narrative to life. And finally, Canva, a user-friendly design platform that enables you to compile your text and illustrations into a professionally formatted book with customizable templates and a drag and drop interface. Canva simplifies the design process, allowing you to focus on creativity. These tools collectively streamline the creation process, making it feasible to produce high-quality children's books independently. Here's how you can get started. First, develop your story. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm and write engaging stories that cater to your target age group. Next, create illustrations. Input your scene descriptions into MidJourney to generate vibrant images that complement your narrative. Then, design your book. Combine your text and illustrations in Canva, utilizing its templates to ensure a visually appealing layout. After that, publish and distribute. Explore self-publishing platforms like Amazon, Kindle, Direct Publishing, or Ingram Spark to make your book available in both digital and print formats. Finally, market your book. Utilize social media, author websites, and collaborations with educators and parenting bloggers to promote your book to a wider audience. By following these steps, you can efficiently bring your AI-generated children's book to market. Managing multiple AI tools can be overwhelming, but ToolQ.com simplifies this process. ToolQ is the ultimate AI tool marketplace, offering comprehensive listings. Access a wide range of AI tools across various categories, including writing, illustration, and design. User reviews and ratings. Make informed decisions based on feedback from other users. Regular updates. Stay ahead with newly released tools and features. With ToolQ, you have a one-stop platform to discover and utilize the best AI tools tailored to your children's book creation needs. Embarking on an AI-generated children's book business is an exciting opportunity in today's digital age. By leveraging tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, Canva, and utilizing resources from ToolQ.com, you can create and publish captivating stories with ease. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's bring your stories to life.